everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will be sharing you another winter makeup, and this is especially for people those who have dry skin and they don't want to apply too much of base products. So this is just a one layer makeup look which I will be sharing with you guys, and keep watching this video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. For this makeup look, I'm using this Lakme Lumi cream, and I'm taking a small pea size on my hand, and also I'm mixing this with Mama Earth Glow Serum Foundation, and my shade is 01 Ivory. So I'm going to mix these two products together to make a one layer makeup base, and I will not apply other base products, and this is just a single layer which will give me a natural glow and also protection because it's a moisturizer with highlighter, and Mama Earth Glow Serum Foundation has vitamin C which will take care of my skin and it will prevent from harmful chemicals. So I like to apply foundation mixing with this highlighter, and I blend this with my fingers all over my face first so that the foundation and the highlighter cream, Lumi cream, gets absorbed onto my skin and gives a flawless, natural glowing face. This makeup look is especially for people those who have dry skin, and I do have a dry skin. So what I generally do, I use any moisturizer and I mix that with a foundation. Now to set my makeup, I'm using this e.l.f. setting spray, and I'm spraying that on a beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend it further to give a seamless finish, and also I'm applying this on my eyes as well. One thing I would like to advise you guys, whenever you do a makeup in winter, always make sure you use a good moisturizer and a serum based foundation for dry skin. Now further to lock this makeup, I am using this compact by Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm just going to apply it and just dab it very gently and softly all over your face, and it will lock the moisture on my face and will keep my makeup intact all over the day. You can also use a blending brush and spray some setting spray to lock it. Now to set my eyebrows, I'm using this e.l.f. Cosmetics Clear Brow and Lash Mascara, and it's a gel based transparent brow stick to set the eyebrows and keep them intact all over the day. Now to define my eyes, I'm using these Maybelline products eyeliner, mascara and kajal. Now for lipstick, I'm using this MAC Cosmetics Powder Kiss lipstick, and the shade is Devoted to Chili, and it's a really nice everyday nude shade, and it's perfect for outgoing office, work, college, and really good for daytime. And the formula is so creamy. Now I'm going to finish this look with the natural tint on my cheeks, and for that I'm using this cream based blush, and it's actually a lip and cheek tint by Just Herbs, and the shade is Pink Forever, and I'm just going to take some and I'm going to blend it on the apples of my cheek. Now further to make it long lasting, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Coral Shade Powder Blush, and I'm just going to dab it, and this is a good technique to dab it and make it long lasting after you apply your cream blush. Finally, I'm using this cream base stick highlighter by Maybelline Duo Stick V Face, and I always use my fingers to blend this on the brow bone and on the cheekbone as well, because it gives you a natural finish and less product usage. Now I am almost ready with this look. Further, to make it more intense color on my lips, I'm using this NYX soft matte lip cream, and the shade is Monte Carlo, and it's a really nice cherry shade, and I'm just applying this on a nude lips. And here is the final look of this glowing winter makeup for dry skin. And I would advise you to always use less base product, make it one layer, and always remember less is more. Whenever you do a makeup, always use less quantity, and if needed, add it more, and keep it natural, flawless, and healthy glowing makeup. Always moisturize your skin and use serum based products for dry skin, especially. With this makeup look, I got a chance to attend this makeup workshop, and it was hosted by Sindhi Welfare Foundation and the Mission Smile campaign to run for all the ladies who are interested in learning makeup for everyday daily basis, and I felt amazing with this campaign. Also, I got a chance to introduce myself for my channel and for my work. I was appreciated, and I thank all the members of Sindhi Welfare Foundation, Anita Di, Hema ji, and Geeta Nathani ji. So that's all about this winter makeup glam look, and I wish you guys a very happy new year. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. Take care.